Okay, today we're going to do some distributive property. Let me dot these I's right here. All right. So basically, distribute is just what it says. We're going to distribute this 3. Just like if I had 3 times 4 would equal 12. I'm going to distribute 3 times 4. This will give me 12. Same thing here. I want to distribute 3, but I want to distribute throughout the whole, everything in parentheses, every term. So I'm going to do 3 times 4x. Then I'm going to do 3 times 7. So first of all, 3 times 4x is going to give me 12x. And then 3 times 7, don't forget it's got to be a plus or minus sign in between each term. So if it's 3 times, it's a positive 3 times a positive 7, so that's positive 21, so I had to put plus 21. If it was a negative, I'm going to put a minus. If it's a positive, I'm putting a plus. After you get to this point, you say 12x plus 21. You can't combine those because they're not like terms, so that's your answer. After you distributed the 3, it's 12x plus 21. Let's go to another one. Okay. 5, distribute 5 throughout the parentheses. And inside the parentheses, we got 10x minus 8. 5 times 10x gives us 50x. And then it's 5 times, treat this as a negative 8, the minus 8. So what's 5 times negative 8? It's negative 40, so you subtract 40. And the 5x, the 50x and the 40 cannot be combined because they're not like terms, so there's your answer. 50x minus 40. All right, I'm going to give you a second to try to do this one on your own. I'm not going to say anything. I'll give you about 30 seconds to try to distribute this negative 2 throughout the parentheses. You can pause the video if you like. And you can listen to some good Christmas music while we're waiting. Christmas music while you're working. What's better? All right, so we got negative 2 times negative 6. We got a negative times a negative. It's going to be a positive, so it's going to be positive 12y. And then we got negative 2 times positive 9. So that gives us negative 18. So you got to do minus 18. And those two terms cannot be combined. So there's your answer. One more, a little tougher one. Okay, we got negative 4 times positive 3. Okay, so the coefficients are going to be negative 4 times 3. So that's negative 12. How many x's do we have here? 2 x's. So x to the second power. Because there's 1x there, there's 1x there, so there's 2 x's. And then if you do negative 4x times 5, so you got the coefficient negative 4, the constant positive 5 gives you negative 20. How many x's are involved? Just the 1. So x. And these two cannot be combined because that's an x squared, and that's just an x. So that's the answer. Negative 12x squared minus 20x.